Ma'am, tomorrow I'll come offline class, ma'am. Hello.
Like, any doubt, any question with last class?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, tomorrow I'm coming offline class.
Okay. Okay. So we'll start with hip tree. As I said, it's not written in syllabus. Okay, but it's there. Hip tree. Okay, write down the definition. A heap is a special tree-based data structure. A heap is a special tree-based data structure. It's a special tree-based data structure in which the tree is a complete binary tree. In which the tree is a complete binary tree. Next line, write down. There are two types of heap data structures. There are two types of heap. One is your max heap, and the second one is your mean heap. Write down the definition for max heap. In a max heap, the key present in a max heap, the key present at the root node, must be greatest among the keys present at among the keys present at all of its children. Among the key present at all of its children. Full stop. In the same line, the same property must be recursively true. The same property must be recursively true for all subtree, for all subtree in that binary tree. In that binary tree. Now see, I'll draw the max heap. Max heap means what? Here, the root will have the greatest value. So suppose I'll give the value to root is 100. Now, it's not following the property of binary search tree. That right side should be greater, left side should be smaller, nothing like that. Okay, it's like a complete binary tree. So here, 100. So the value, the children of this should always be less than 100. It can be 98, 99, but less than 100. Okay, right side also it should be less than 100. Okay, it can be less also. It's not like it should be greater than 90. No. Okay, then like this. Even here, when you create the child of 80, so that should be less than 80. If I create the child of 90, that should be less than 90. You cannot give 91 as a children. It's less than 100, but even it should be less than that parents also. So here I can give, for example, 60. Okay, this one 70. Okay, and this one, for example, 72. This one, suppose 77. So this is one example of max. Okay, draw this diagram for max.
Ma'am, if they give some numbers and they ask us to like create a binary tree.
I'll explain.
Okay.
To create I'll explain. Huh? Written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now write down mean heap. In a mean heap, the key present in a mean heap, the key present at the root node must be minimum. In a mean heap, the key present at the root node must be minimum among the key present at all of its children. Among the key present at all of its children. Full stop. In the same line. The same property must be recursively true for all the subtree in that binary tree. For all the subtree in that binary tree. Now, so what is the meaning of mean heap? Mean heap, that means the root will have the smallest value among all. Suppose the root value is 10. So the children should have a value greater than 10. It cannot have a value less than 10. Suppose I'll give a value to the children. For example, here is 50. Okay. So the children of this one. Okay. So the children of this one should have a value. एक मिनट mean heap ना तो मतलब उसका सबसे हाँ should have a value greater than 50 है ना that parent should be minimum, root should be minimum, like okay, so suppose it's having a value 20. Okay, this one is having value 30. Similarly here also, suppose the value greater than 20, 10 is 20 and the value एक सेकेंड parent का value कम होना चाहिए, so 10 कम है, यहाँ पे 15 नहीं होना ना, it should be less than 20 and 30. So here, for example, it's 50. So the parent is smallest one and this parent is having value less than. Okay, suppose this is 28. Okay, so this should have a value less than that. For example, 25. Okay, and this one, for example, 22. Okay, so this is the point. Okay, the root should have the minimum lowest value and their children should have a value greater than this, but their children should have a value less than that. नहीं, यहाँ पे भी मैंने उल्टा किया ना, यहाँ पे भी वैल्यू पेरेंट का वैल्यू छोटा होना चाहिए, तो ये 20 है, ये 20, तो इसको एक काम करते हैं 20 नहीं करके इसको 21 कर लेती हूँ मैं, तब हो जाएगा, है ना? तो दिस पेरेंट इज हैविंग अ वैल्यू लेस देन. ओके, नाउ इट्स राइट, करेक्ट लक्ष्य?
Means like the only first one when we take, for example, if we took 10, so it should be greater than that next child. That child should be greater than that, but the 21st child should be greater.
नहीं. See, actually the point is the root will have the lowest value. So just check. Is 10 is the lowest value among all the trees? Yes.
Yes.
After that, so 12, 21. So whatever the children of 21, okay, so 21 should be the lowest one. So here 22 and 25, 21 is the lowest one. Similarly, on the right hand side, 15 should be the lowest one compared to the children. So 20 and 30. So 51 is the lowest one now. So this is the mean here. Parent should have a value less than the child.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Now draw this. Okay. Now let us do how to construct the hip tree. Okay. Give heading construct hip tree. Construct hip tree from array. From array का कोई जरूरत नहीं है वैसे तो. Okay. See, Lakshya, here what is happening basically? Here there is a function or method, you can say we call it as hippify. Okay, now what is this hippify? Hippify basically it is a method. With the help of this method, whatever tree we have, we can convert it to the hip tree. How to do that? For that, we'll take one example. Okay. So numbers, tell me some numbers.
10, 23, 55, 73,
Then
81.
Okay. Now, suppose this is an array they have given. Okay. What is it? They have given you it is an array form. Okay. Now, if you remember the tree beginning, I told you how to create a tree from array. Normal. So you know that how to create. First of all, 10 will be here. Okay. Then 23. Then 55. Then 22. Then 73. Then 81. Correct? Let's
Yes.
remember.
Yes.
Our tree to this one. Okay. Now, which tree you want to construct? Max or mean?
Max.
Max. Okay, so you want to construct here a max heap. Okay. So now we will perform here hippify. What is this hippify basically? We will check the element to the lowest element in the children. So if you see, 81 is the last element. Because after 81, no insertion is there. Okay. So check, is 81 is at the correct position? No. 81 is greater than 55. Okay, 55. So we should replace it. So in that case, what will happen, Lakshya? This will become 81. Okay, and this will become 55. Yes. After that, is 81 at the correct position? No, 81 is greater than 10. So we will replace it. So in that case, 81 is here, and here we will have 10. Again, 10 is smaller, 53 is greater. So what will happen? 53 will come here, okay, and 10 will come as the children. Okay, so now right side we have done. Now let us check for here. Now the next is 73. So 73 is greater than 23. So what we will do? We will replace it. Okay, so this will become 73. This will become 23. After that, is 73 less than 81? Yes, there is no issue. Okay, is there any other issue here?
No, ma'am.
No. So what is the answer? The answer of this one is 81. Right hand side 53. Sorry, 55. 55. Okay, then left child is 10. Left child of this one is 23. No, 23. We have replaced it with 73. Right child 23. And the left is 22. So now is it a max heap?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this function basically is known as heapify. Like that you have to do. Okay.
Okay.
Write down this.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I am giving you one question. 35, 33, 42, 10, 14, 19, 27, 44, 27, 44, 26, 31. Okay, do this. Construct the max hip for नहीं mean hip करो max तो मैंने करवा दिया ना ठीक
Okay.
है try to construct mean hip for
Okay.
Hello, done?
1 minute, ma'am.
Once you finish, you just WhatsApp me, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, last one step I'm not getting.
Send me how much you have done.
I have sent, ma'am.
10, 14, 25 को होंगे 26. हम्म. See, 19 is smaller than 25, right? Then how 25 can be the parent? We'll see
Ma'am,
this.
but when we take 19 in place of 25,
Hmm.
then it will be like 10 should be greater. It should be greater than 10.
So 19 is greater than 10, no?
Okay, ma'am. So we have to replace 19 with 25. That's all.
I will do it. See. So first of all, do as it is 35, 33, 42, 10, 14, 19, 27, 44, 26, and 31. Okay. Now, see the lowest one. Lowest one is 31. Right. So first of all, 31 with 40. Okay. What we want to do? Mean ही बोला ना मैंने. So we want to construct mean heap. So in that case, mean heap 14 is lesser than 31. So this one is right. No issues with that. Now check with 26. So 10 is less than 26. No issues. 44 is less than 10. There is also no issue. Correct. Now we'll check with 33. So 10 is less than 33. So actually 33 should be down. 10 should be up. So 10 will come here. 33 will come here. Correct. Okay. Now if you'll see on the right hand side, similarly, 19 and 27. So 19 is less than 42. So in that case, 19 will come here and 42 will come here. because 19 is less than. Okay. Now in this two case, 19 and 10. So which one is lesser? 10 is lesser. Okay. So we'll replace 10 will come here, 35 will come here. Okay. Now is there any issue? If you see on right hand side, 19. Okay. 19 is less than 27 and 42. So on the right hand side, no issues. We'll check on left hand side. This one is 35, then 33 and 14. Okay. So 14 is less than. So 14 will come here, 35 will come here. Then 31. So again, 31 is less than. So 31 will come here, 35 will come. Correct. Now if you see here, here also 26 is less than 33. So in that case, 33 will come here, 26 will come. Correct. Okay, if I'll draw it properly, now the diagram will be 10, 14, 19, 42, 27. फिर क्या था? यहाँ पे करके 26, then 31, 35, 44, and 33. Now check, is it mean hip or any issue is there, then tell me.
It is mean heap.
Mean hip, correct? So this is the answer. Any doubt, any question that why I have shifted this, anything like that?
Whenever we are checking, we have to check the right and left side. But after the left side,
No,
then
we have to start from the lowermost. What is the lowermost? 35 was the 31 was the lowermost. So we'll start checking from that portion.
Okay, ma'am. After we finish checking that side, we have to go to the left three lower one.
Right. Yes.
Okay.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'll give you one previous year question that you answer. Just a second, I'm giving you the question. Oh, 1 second. Ugc Net 2016 question. Ugc Net 2016. Lakshya, I forwarded you the question. Please answer.
Okay. Option C, ma'am.
Yes. Understood?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
simply you have to just construct the tree and you have to find which one of the following is the correct max heap. Okay, you don't have to perform heapify here.
Okay.
After that, this was whatever I explained you. That was if there is an heap, they'll ask you to create the heap from the array. How to do that? Okay. Now, in exams, especially in GATE, they can ask you a question like that. They'll give you a heap tree, and they'll say after performing 2 delete operation, what will be the new tree? Okay, like that. Okay, because there are deletion is bit interesting here. So we'll see even the deletion also in detail. So deletion of heap. Okay, deletion of a heap, how to do it. So, and even this is known as heap sort. Okay, this concept, even I will explain you what is basically heap sort. Okay, so that will also come here. Now, for this, you have to remember some point. I'll write it here. Always delete root in heap. Okay, so you have to delete always the root in the heap. Second point, shift last element to top. Shift last element to top, then apply max heap or mean heap. Max heap or mean heap operation. Write down this 2 points.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, now they will give you one array. So the array they have given is 60, 65, 70, 75, 91, 92, 100. Okay, so they have given you this tree. So first of all, let me construct the tree. 60, 65, 70, 75, 91, 92. Is it a mean heap or max heap? Lakshya? It's a mean heap or max heap?
Minimum min heap.
Mean heap, correct. Okay. Now see. Now here the question is perform 2 deletion. Okay. So see, what is the first rule? Always delete the rule. That is the rule. So you have to delete always the 60. Okay. What is the second rule? Shift the last element to the. So here, which is the last element, Lakshya? 100.
Yes, ma'am.
So last element is. So what they said? Shift the last element to the top. So here I will shift the last element to the top. So 100 will come here. And actually what is happening? 60 will go down. Okay, actually what is happening? 60 will go down and we will delete that element. Okay, so here 100 is deleted. So here, so 60 is deleted, 100 will come. Okay, and I'll delete this. Okay, and one more thing with that, you have to maintain one array. So here what element we have deleted, Lakshya? 60.
60.
So we have here 60. Now, after doing that, last element. Now, after doing that, what you have to do? You have to perform heapify here. Okay, so it's a mean heap. Mean heap, that means minimum should be at the top. So 65 and 70. Okay, so which one is minimum in this case?
65.
65 is minimum. Okay, so in that case, 65 will come up and 100 will go down. Okay, so here 65 will come here and 100 will go down. Okay, again in the same case, 100 is greater than this. So in that case, 75 will come up, 100 will go down. Right? So 75 here and then 100. Now is it a mean here? 65 is the lowest one, that will be at the top. Then 75 and this. Okay, so now it's a mean. Now again you want to perform one more deletion. So in that case, what will happen? We always delete the root. So 65 will be deleted. Understood? 65 will be deleted and the child will go to 65. So here I will have now 92. Again, this will be deleted. So I'll erase this all. The 92 will come here. This will get deleted. And it will shift here. And this is 75. Now we again will perform hippify. So in that case, 75 and 70. So 70 is the lowest one. Okay, so 70 will come here and 92 will come here. Now is it a mean here? Lakshya, is it a mean here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the answer of this question is okay. Now again, Lakshya, if again you continue about deleting, what will happen? See, after that, what element you are going to delete? 70.
70.
Get the root, yes. After that, 75 will come at the top, so we'll delete 70. So you can see that the whatever answer, whatever element you are deleting, that is nothing in the sorted form. Correct? 60,
Yes.
65, 70. So that's why this concept is even known as hip sort.
Okay.
Okay. So please write down in your words. Okay, I'll give you one question.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
एक मिनट मैं क्वेश्चन देखती हूँ. Best. Now, please answer this. This is a previous year GATE as well as UGC Net question. Done?
1 minute, ma'am. I did instead of max heap, I did min heap.
Read the question. No?
Okay. Ma'am, option B, ma'am.
I'll check this one. What's the answer? 3 and 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, tell me the tree ones. 6 is the parent. Okay, the children is left side 14, right side 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 14 children, 8 and 7, left and right.
Yes, ma'am.
8 children, 2, 4.
Yes, ma'am.
7 left child 1 and 10 left child 3, right child 9. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So the correct answer for this question is option 2. Okay, so this is all about the hip tree. This type of question they'll ask. Okay. Next is what happened? Any doubt, Lakshya?
No, ma'am, nothing.
Okay. Next topic is B tree. Okay, give heading B tree. Write down. Even Surbi, this is a new topic. Okay, you'll understand this. Give heading B tree. Write down.
Okay, ma'am.
B tree is a specialized M-way tree. B tree is a specialized M-way tree that can be widely used for disk access. Underline this disk access. B tree is a specialized M-way tree that can be widely used for disk access. Next line.
Widely used for, ma'am.
Disk access. DIS.
DISK.
Disk access. Next line. A B tree of order M. A B tree of order M can have at most M minus 1 keys. A B tree of order M can have at most M minus 1 keys. M minus 1 keys. Next line. One of the main reason of using B tree is its capability to store large number of keys. Its capability to store large number of keys.
Capability to store.
Large number of keys. KEYS, keys. In a single node, large number of keys in a single node and large key values and
Ma'am, please repeat. In single node, large number of.
in single node and large key values
Large key values.
by keeping the height of tree. Large key values by keeping the height of tree relatively small.
By keeping the
Height of the tree
height of the tree.
relatively small. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, next slide, write down. It is sorry. In B tree is used to increase the speed of searching. Okay, in B tree, basically to increase the speed of searching, we use B tree to increase the speed of searching. Okay, so that means searching in B tree is faster compared to binary search tree.
To increase the speed of searching.
Searching, yes. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a bit confusing, but don't worry, I'll make it easy. So, but concentrate. Okay. Now, give me some numbers. Tell me some random numbers, 1 digit, 2 digits, merging. Okay, first of all, Surbi, tell me you 3 numbers.
9,
Hmm.
22,
Hmm.
34.
Lakshya?
51, 67,
67,
92.
92. Okay. So, see, these are some numbers. ये ज़्यादा सही नहीं देगा, छोटे दे देगा. ये अच्छा, ठीक है. So, these are some numbers we have. Okay. Now, let us try to construct. Okay. Now, before we'll start constructing, they will give you the order. Okay. In B and B plus tree, they will give you the order. For example, right now they have given you the order 4. Okay. So, in case if they have given you the order 4, then what is the value of n? N is nothing but m minus 1. So, that is nothing but order minus 1. That is 4 minus 1. That means 3. What is the meaning of this n? That means in each node you can have maximum how many keys? 3 keys, like this.
These are the number of keys, ma'am. 3.
Yes. Maximum how many keys you can have, like this. So if you draw the diagram, no, diagram will be length. Don't draw it, okay? I'll give time. First of all, understand. Don't write anything like this. Okay, so see how many keys I have put the space for 1, 2, and 3 keys possible, because whatever order they have given, you have to do minus 1. That number of keys are possible. Okay, now let us start doing insertion. So first is 9. So I'll write here 9. Next is 22. 22 is greater than 9, so it will come here. Then 34. 34 is greater than 22, so it will come. Okay, no issues with this. Now the next number is 55. Now maximum how many elements you can insert here?
3.
3. 3 is already done. Okay, now extra element, that is 55, want to insert here. So in that case, what will happen? In that case, we will perform splitting. Splitting, that means we are dividing the tree. Okay, now how to divide the tree? So here if you see which is the minimum element, 9,
9.
22, 34 and 55. So here which is the minimum element?
9.
9 minimum element हो क्या? अच्छा वो no, doesn't mean that minimum, lowest नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं, middle one, not minimum, sorry, middle element. Which is the middle element here? You have 22 and 34.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So in that case, we'll take the greater one. So 34 is the middle element. Okay, so we will split the table. So how to split the table? See, I'll shift it here so that afterwards you can write it. Okay, I'll shift it here. Okay. Now, if I split it, what will happen? My 34 will become the root one. Okay, and here also the same thing, huh? Okay, 31 will become the root. Now it will have the left and right. Okay, so what is the left element? In left, that means the lowest one, which is lesser than the. So here also, remember at each level we will have the same 3, 3. Okay, so you have to draw in the same way 3. Like this. Okay, now 55. Okay, before that we'll insert this. No, so this will be 9 here, this will be 22 here, as the table is splitted. Now 55 we want to insert. So where 55 will go? On this one, correct? So 55 will be here. Now what is the next element you want to insert? 51. So 51 is greater than 34, it will go here. Now 51 is less than 55. So in that case, what will happen? 55 will be written here and 51 will be written on the left. Okay. Next is 67. So where 67 will go? Here. Okay. Next is 2. So where 2 will go? Surbi, where 2 will
Left.
go?
Left
Left
side.
of 9.
Yes.
Correct? Na? So 22 will be here. Okay, I'll erase this. Nine will be here and 2 will be here. Okay. Now, I'll check one more element. Suppose, give me one number. Any number is fine.
14.
14. Suppose I want to insert now 14. Okay. So 14 is, let's say, where 14 will come actually? You have to think, okay? Don't add it. Just think it, it will be here. Now, in this case, you have 2, 9, 14 and 22. So which is the middle one? 14.
9.
14 होगा ना?
Yes,
Middle
ma'am.
one में दो होते हैं ना तो बड़े वाला में
Yes, yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now here in this case, remember one thing. Now we will not split the table. Try to understand. Why we are not splitting the table? Because there is a space in parent node. And a parent node left hand side, right side is empty. So in B3, what is happening? In that case, we will perform splitting but upside. So how upside? So 14 will come here. Okay. Now here actually, if you'll see this node is empty, no? So here also whenever we'll split, no, actually, so here also that node will be created. Correct now? At each level it should be. Okay. And if I'll do properly, here also it should be. But I have not drawn it. Okay. Now, so element less than 14, that is 2 will be here, 9 will be here. Okay. Then 22. So 22 will be there only, but actually 22 will be written here. Understood? Surbi and Lakshya, how I did this splitting upside?
Can you explain once again, ma'am? After
Yes,
14,
ma'am.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am. Explain
14,
once
14,
again.
14, what happened now? Here, the 14 was here. Okay, I can't write again, but here
Yes,
some
ma'am.
elements were there. Okay, so what will happen? There was a space on the parent. Previously here, when the condition here, na, this was the root node. So there is no option of parent node. So we have to split below only. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
we have to split like that normally. But here, there is a space here and here. Now suppose 14 is done. Now suppose one more element, if I'll say that is greater than, for example, I want to insert now 92. So in that case, what will happen? Which is the middle one, 67. So 67 will come here. Correct. And it will perform splitting and it will be here. Correct. There are also 3 elements. So in that case, what will happen? If I'll insert 92, 67 will go up. Correct. And it will be because 30, 51 and 35, 55, it's greater than 34 and less than 67. So it's here and 92 here. Now suppose if I want to insert one more element, for example, 100. So it will be done here. Suppose I want to insert 150. So that will be inserted here. Now suppose I want to insert 200. So in that case, what will happen? Is there any space on parent? No, parent is already full. So in that case, what will happen? Again, it will perform splitting. So now it will perform splitting below. Understood? Because there is no space on parent node. If there is a space on parent node, the middle element, it will be shift upside, not down.
ma'am, here
Only,
why?
ma'am,
why have-
only if it is filled, then only there will be a split.
Huh.
Okay.
What, Lakshya?
Ma'am, here why have you placed 14 next to 21, 22, ma'am?
नहीं नहीं ये तो मैंने आपको explain करने के लिए किया था.
Okay.
Now
After
understood?
after we place 14 in the parent node, again we have to split this because here 2 and 9 and 22 you have splitted.
No, I have not split it. No, see, 14 it will go to parent. So the element less than 14 that should be on the left child, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Because B tree is also a binary search tree.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, after 100, what you have written? 200?
150 and this is 200.
Acha, 150.
This is to explain, you know. So I will type that. This is 150. And this below one, I said if you want to insert 200 in that case. Okay. Okay, write down this. I'll give you one. Sorry. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you construct processes. Okay, I want you to try complete it. Okay, right, wrong is fine. Just complete it. 50, 25, 30, 22, 40, 65, 72, 5, no, 72, and 10, 5, and 2. Okay, 50, 25, 30, 22, 40, 55, 72, 10, 5. Correct. Do this.
Ma'am, order is 4 only.
ऑर्डर है मेरा 4 ये.
Okay.
सारे आ गए इसमें? सुरभि, all are present here? No, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 are not there, no? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. 22 is not present. 25 we
Ah,
okay.
why?
Okay, my mistake. Okay, ma'am, I will do again.
Mom,
Hmm?
Mom, when the right side of the parent is filled and we want to add one more item on the right side only, we have to again split the parent itself.
Means at the root, if there is a space, we'll shift that parent to root, otherwise we'll shift down.
Okay. From the root only we have to shift again, Mom.
Middle one.
Okay.
Surbi, where is 50?
50? Okay, 50 I also lost.
आपके चश्मे तो नहीं आए?
50.
मुझे लग रहा है सुरभि, इससे पहले वाले भी आपने क्वेश्चन ही नहीं देखा है सही से, अभी फिर से नहीं देखा है। आप
हाँ,
51st एलिमेंट को ही भूल गए, बताओ क्या बोलूं मैं।
yes, ma'am.
बाकी ऑलमोस्ट सही लग रहा है, लेकिन 50 नहीं है तो फिर काफी चेंज हो जाएगा।
Yes, ma'am. I will.
No, okay, I'll do it. All of you see that. Okay, see. First of all, 50 will come. Okay, and as per the rule, no. So, what is it? Lakshya, what is happening? Maximum we can have 3, no? अच्छा नहीं, 3 लिखा है, ठीक है। Okay, see here how to do this. First of all, 50. Okay, so 50. After that, 25 less than 50, so 25 will be here. After that, 30, that is greater than 25, less than 50, so in that case, okay, 30 will come here. Okay, 30 will be here. And 50 is greater than that, so 50 will be here. After that, 22. Okay, so we want to insert new element, that is 22. So in that case, we will perform the splitting. So here, which is the middle element? Middle element is 50. So based on that, we will perform the splitting. Okay, so we'll see how we are performing that. So after splitting it, we'll get here 50. Okay, so 50 ka left and right. Okay, so 20 and 25 and 30 will be the left child of 50. 25, 30. Okay, and if we'll see on the right hand side, right now nothing is there. Okay, so 22 will also, acha 22 to yahan aayega na. So in that case, 30 will become the root, right? Okay. We want to insert 22, but as per this, 22 will come here. Okay, so in that case, middle is 30. Okay, so 30 will come here in that. Okay, so it will be 30 here. Okay, and the left child of 30 is 22 and 25. Okay, so this will be 22 and 25. 22, 25. Okay, and the right side we will have 50. Okay, so I'll write it here. 50. After that, what is the next element? You want to insert 40. 40 is less than 50, so it will come here. Next, you want to insert 65. 65 is greater than 50, it will come here. After that, what is the next element? 70. So in that case, what will happen, Lakshya? I want to insert 72.
Then we have to take 65 in the parent term.
Parent, yes. So 65 will come here. Okay, and this right child will come. Okay, so in that case, 72 will come. Okay, and we'll remove 72 from here and even this number also. Okay, so 65 will go upside and write your property 65. Then 65 will be come here and 72 will be here. Then what is the next element? We want to insert 10. Okay, so 10 is less than 22. So 10 will come here. This is 25. This will become 22. And this will become 10. Okay, after that, the next element you want to insert is 5. Okay, so what will happen? 5 will come here. Okay, which element will be shifted up? 22 will shift up. So 22 will come here. Here. Now we'll have here again. 5 will come here. And I'll erase from it. Okay, 10 is also less than 22, no? So 10 will also shift there. Okay, and 22 will also go from here, no? Because 22 we already moved it. Okay, this much. Now the next element you want to insert is 2. So what will happen? 10 will be here, 5 will be here, and 2 will be here. Understood? So this will be the answer for this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Any question? Surbi, understood?
Understood.
In exam, don't do this, Surbi, okay? 50 and all, see the question properly, please. Otherwise, you will lose marks.
Ma'am, 25 should not be on the first. Yeah, on the
It should
last.
be on the first. It should be on the first. That you understood, no?
Okay, ma'am.
So this is about the beat. Just a second. Okay. So next question, you try this one. Okay. Please check. I forwarded you the question. Okay, you just tell me the answer. You WhatsApp me. Okay, I'll tell you whether it's right or not. Because options it's not required. You just see it question and do it.
Ma'am, in this keys are 3.
I don't know. It's given in the question, no?
Keys are 2 only. 3 key.
Yeah, this question is for B plus tray. Okay, no issues. You draw for B tray. I'll check for B tray. Okay, this but it is for B tray. B plus 2 it's written. Okay, you do it for B tray. I don't think it's right. Surabhi, do it again. Lakshya, your answer?
I've sent now.
Why you are doing like this? See, they said order is 3. So maximum how many elements possible? 2 elements possible, right? So what is the first value? 5. First number क्या है बोलो sequence? Tell me the sequence.
8, 5, 1, 7, 3, 12, 9, 6.
The first is 8 and 5. So 5 will be here, 8 will be here. Next is 1. So 1 you want to insert. So in that case, we'll perform the splitting. When we'll perform the splitting, in that case, what will happen? 1 will
Come down.
in that case, 5 will be in the root. Okay, 5 will be in the root and we'll have a left side. In left side, we will have 1 here. Okay, 1. Next is 7. Okay, so 7 we want to insert. Even we have the right side also. Okay, so where 7 will go here. Then 3 is less than 5, so it will be here. Next is 12, so it will be here. Next they want to insert is 9. Acha, 9 middle.
Ma'am, where is the 8? Okay,
तो
8
मतलब
is.
याद दिलाना चाहिए ना, 8 यहाँ पे है ना, then split it, no, 8 is here, तो पहले बोलना चाहिए
7 or 8.
Okay, so 8 is here. Okay, after 8 you want to insert next is 7. Okay, in that case 7 is here and 8 is here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then after that next is 3, so 3 will be here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you want to insert 12. Okay, so as you want to insert 12, okay, so as there is a space in parent, so 8 will shift up. Okay, so in that case, what will happen? In that case, 8 will go on right hand side. Sorry, 8 will go up on the right hand side, 12 will go.
Okay.
We will have 12. Definitely, no? Then 12 here. After that, 9. Okay, so 9 will be here, 12 will be here. Next is 6. So 7 will be here and 6 will be here. No need to go further splitting, right? How easy it was. I think you did a mistake with this link. You have not considered the right side link. That's why I'm drawing here this two lines so that I don't do that mistake. Okay, so even you follow the same thing. Okay, write down this one. Lakshya, draw 2 lines. Okay.
Okay. I was doing this mistake like we took 1 on the left side. No, I was taking it on the right side.
That what? Don't do that.
Okay.
So this is about the B trees. Okay. Shall I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is your B plus tree. Give heading B plus tree. First of all, I'll give you some points. Just Read up. In B tree, not B plus, it's B only, huh? In B tree, every value of the search field in B tree, every value of the search field appears
Search field.
Appears once search field appears once at some level in the tree. Appears once at some level in the tree comma, along with data pointer to the record, or block where data is stored.
Where data is stored.
Here, or block where data is stored. Next line, write down. In B plus tree, data pointers are stored in B plus tree. Data pointers are stored only at the leaf node. Only at the leaf node. Full stop in the same line. Therefore, the structure of leaf node vary from VARY, or you can say different from, vary from the structure of internal node.
Vary from the internal node.
Structure of internal node. Next slide. If the search field is a key field, if the search field is a key field, comma, the leaf node have a value, for every value of the search field. Leaf node have a value for every value of the search field, along with the data pointer,
Every value of the search
field, along with the data pointer, to the record. Next slide. If the search field is not a key field, if the search field is not a key field, the pointer points to a block containing
points to a block
containing pointer to the data file record, containing pointer to the Data file record.
Containing pointer to the
Data file record.
data file record.
Comma. Creating an extra level of indirection. Creating an extra level of indirection. Next slide. The leaf node of B plus tree are linked. The leaf node of B plus tree are linked to provide ordered access, are linked to provide ordered access on the search field, ordered access on the search field to order the record. Sorry, search field to the record. Okay, provided ordered access on the search field to the record. चलिए अब समझते हैं actually what it is B plus T. Just a second first. I will do for the same question first. See, B plus tree. See, it's almost same as B tree, but the difference is, one more thing, B plus tree is faster than B tree. Okay, searching, I said no, searching in B tree is faster than binary search tree. Similarly, the searching in B plus tree is more faster than B tree. Okay, see how to
Okay.
do B tree. Here also the same order. Okay, so if the order they have given you here is, in this question it was 3. So we have considered our n is 2. Okay, so the same thing we are following here. Now,
Order is 3, n is key is 2.
2.
Okay. ma'am.
Okay, so see in this question, now first of all we have 8. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll write here 8. Then we'll get 5. So we'll write here 5 and here it will be 8. Okay, same like we'll B tree now. After that, when we'll get here 1. Okay, so they want to 1. So there is no solution. So what we'll do, we'll do the split. Okay, so what will happen? We will perform the splitting. Okay. So see, when I will perform the splitting, bit concentrate. What was the element on 8? It was here. Okay, and 1 was here. But before we write 8 here, okay, see what is happening here. As it is a B plus tree. So what is the rule of B plus tree? Whenever we perform a splitting, so whatever node we have as the parent, that should be present as a leaf also. Okay, and usually there is no rule that it should be the right child. Okay, clearly I'm telling there is no rule, but usually we place it at right side. So you also have to place it at right side. But that is not a rule. I'm clearly telling you. Okay, in case you'll see somewhere 5 is at the left side, it's fine. Okay, it's not wrong, but you have to put it on right hand side. So see what will happen. The parent, even you have to write it again as a child. This is the difference between B and B plus 2. Now see how the searching is faster here. Suppose you have only this much element. Okay, you want to insert only 851 for example, and this is the element. This is the tree, you will get it. Now how the searching is easy, because you don't have to search the parent. You just see the leaf node. Okay, see this all are linked actually like this. Okay, so you will find your searching element at the leaf node only. If your tree is having 10 levels also, you don't have to search on. You will get always your each and every key at the leaf. Okay, that's why it is known as searching is faster. Okay, now see, what is the next element? 7. So where will insert 7? If you do here, 7 will be at the middle. Okay, so again we will perform the splitting. So there is a space on parent. So 7 will go up here. So 7 will come here. Okay, and as a children, 7 will come here also. Okay, and 8 is at the right side, so 8 will come here. Okay, I'll erase this. So 8 will go from here, 7 will go from here. Understood this? Surbi, Lakshya both?
No, ma'am, repeat.
7 was there here. Okay. Now, no,
Ma'am,
7,
eight,
8 was there. 8 was there. Now, 7. So you want to insert 7. 7 will be in the middle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will happen? Middle always go up. So
Yes,
7
ma'am.
will go up. Okay, it's same only, but what is happening now? Whenever you create any parent, you have to write one copy on right hand side. That is the rule of B plus tree.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So see, after adding 7, it will be like this. So now 7 ka copy, the copy of 7 is here, 5 is here. Now the next element you want to insert is 3. So 3 will come directly here. No issues with that. Next is 12. So again 12. So you tell me what will happen. Okay, one Surbi will tell, one Lakshya will tell. Okay, first who will say?
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
Ha, bolo.
How did the 8 go in the right one? It should
Because
come up.
A, why? Because A is the greater than 7.
Yes,
so A
ma'am.
will all, so A will be on the right side only. The left side is not possible.
Okay.
Now 12. Okay, so now you tell me, Lakshya, what to do?
We have to take 8 as
So
a
perform-
child.
Yes, splitting.
Yes,
Right. So it will be like this. Okay, whenever we'll perform splitting, it should be done at each level actually. If I say it properly now, it should be done at each level like this. Okay, I'm not drawing all, but in exam you take care. Okay, so in that case, okay, so 8 will be here. I think this is 7 and 12 is left hand side. Okay. What was the element? 8, no? 8 and 7, then again 8 as a child, and then correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Surbi, tell me for the next one.
8 के लिए मैम आपने अच्छा 8 और ये कर दिया, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज
See,
9.
see, don't get confused. Still, it is a leaf only, huh?
Okay.
And still, if it is a leaf node only. Huh? Now, what is the next? 9. Now, tell me where I'll place 9.
9. There is a splitting, ma'am.
No splitting. It will go upside. Right? So 9 will be here. Correct? And it will generate the right child. Okay. Now, we'll have a 9 here. As well as we will have a 12 here. Correct?
Okay, ma'am.
And understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
9 will go up. Okay. Now, then next is 6. So 6 can directly come here. So in that case, 6 will be here and 8 will be. So this is the answer for this. Understood? This
Yes,
is your B plus T. Okay, please write down it properly in your notebook. And once you have done, just tell me, I'll give you the questions. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I forward you to the question. Just solve and give me the answer.
Option C, ma'am.
Option C, ma'am.
Option C.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it again.
Option C.
Option C नहीं होगा. Do it again.
Option D, ma'am.
Correct. Survey, do it again. Hello. Survey.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer?
I'm not able to get it.
See, 45. 45 will be in the middle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
45 will go up.
Yes, ma'am. 45
So
will go.
40, 45. Okay.
So
And 50, 50 will go on right hand side.
okay, 45 will go up.
So 50 will come on right hand side in that case. Okay. So what is the question? If we insert 45 into the above B plus T, which of the following node is not present? Okay, na? So
Which
none
of
of
the
means will say none of this is not present. है ना? Why? Because 40. See here, if 45 will go up, so upside you will get 40 and 45.
Yes, ma'am. 40 or
So
40.
that is present. Then
Uh,
40 and 0 both will be present.
40 and 40 only present. Yes, ma'am.
Following node is so that's why. Okay, so we can say nahi, actually which of the following is not present? So what's the answer for this one? None will be, na? Because 45 ऊपर जाएगा और वो राइट साइड में हो जाएगा, है ना? 50 कहाँ चला जाएगा? राइट साइड
राइट साइड में चला जाएगा. यस मैम.
तो आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन डी. ठीक है, एक और अच्छा क्वेश्चन भेजती हूँ. This question do it properly, so I don't want to solve this question. Okay?
Okay.
So do it properly so that I don't have to solve this.
Ma'am, answer should not for this, it should not be A. 45 and 50 is not present.
So that what? The answer is none.
Ma'am,
None of this is
which
not
of the
present.
following node is not present?
Not present. No one is present. None of these are present.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, the 40 and 45 is present. 40 is present. Ma'am, A is the answer, I
अरे
think.
तो रुको. See, Lakshya, I forwarded you the next question.
Okay.
हाँ, what बोलो? आप
Ma'am,
पहले इसका बनाओ. आप इसका draw करो.
ma'am, I have drawn it. According to me, the answer should be A.
Okay, then
40
A is the correct answer. Very good.
Huh? Huh?
A is the correct answer. अब देखो इसमें क्या बोल रहा है तो कहाँ है मेरा?
मैम 45 और 50 नहीं हो सकते, तो वो तो है ही, करेक्ट है, ए ही तो है. 40 और 45 भी है नोड, 40 भी है, 45 और 50 नहीं होंगे मैम इकट्ठे. मैम आपको मैं वो ड्रॉ किया हुआ भेजती हूँ.
नहीं एक सेकंड रुक जाओ. कहाँ गया है?
Ma'am, answer should be A. 45 and 50 is not the node. 40 and 45 is 40 and
See, so the question is which of the following is not present?
yes ma'am.
है ना?
I will send
यहाँ पे
you the
40. एक सेकंड भेजो, मैं देखती हूँ. ये जैसा मैंने बोला वैसा आपने किया है, अब सही है. 45 ऊपर गया, ठीक है. 45 ऊपर जाएगा तो 50. See, so don't you think 45 should be on the right hand side also? 45 and 50 it should be. It's a B plus tree, right?
yes ma'am.
So
So
parent should be written as child also. So on the right side it should be 45 and 50.
okay, 45 and 50, yes ma'am.
The correct answer is option
D, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. ओके, जो ब्रेक होगा उसको राइट में अच्छा लिखना ही है. ओके
No, ये B plus tree है, that is the difference. Okay. Now solve the question I forwarded. What's the answer? Still doing.
Mom, we get 20 K25 and
Options,
K30 in the end.
options. A, B, C, or D? Lakshya, options A, B, C, or D?
A, Mom.
Then why you have worried? It's right. Good. Surbi? नहीं हुआ?
Mom, but I have one doubt.
हाँ, एक मिनट डाउट कराती हूँ. Surbi? Not
Yes,
done
ma'am.
ना? Not able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन तो मैं कराऊंगी. आप वापिस करो. Okay? Do it again. One more time. Okay? You'll do 3 times. After that, I'll do it. Okay? But I want you to be correct at the third time. Okay? Okay, then do it again. Now, Lakshya, you tell me your doubt. Surbi, you do it again, okay?
In the end, we get K25 and K30, Mom. So they've
25 and
asked
30.
like
Hmm.
they've asked how many links, no, Mom?
They are asking that how many of this, so they have given you 4 nodes. Okay, after performing the insertion of 15 and 25, how
Yes,
many of this node are present
Okay, Mom.
in
Okay,
that
Ma'am.
tree? You have to see the sequence like 30, 50, 25, 30, 20, 25, 15, 20.
So out of this, how many we get in the end?
Yes.
Yes,
in that
yes.
yes. So the answer is A.
1. A option, yes, Mom.
Okay, wait, let Surbi do, okay?
Ma'am, I have make, and according to me also answer is 1, but my answer is also 1, but
So tell me which node. Tell
I
me the
have-
node.
ma'am, I have
Said na,
sent
any
you,
one node is present.
ma'am, I have sent you created a
That is
tree.
fine. That is fine. You tell me which node.
क्या?
मैं
Last
बोल-
one.
नहीं
Ma'am, I have created a tree.
अरे तो रुक तो जाओ. ये 4 आपको नोड दिख रहे हैं ना? आपके हिसाब से कौन सा नोड प्रेजेंट है?
अच्छा, okay. According to me, which one? Ma'am, K20 and K25.
Okay, Lakshya, is it 2025?
No, ma'am. I got it as 25-30.
25-30.
I got 20 and 25.
Forty, 30, 50. सबसे पहले आपको डालना है K50. फिफ्टी के लेफ्ट राइट कहाँ है सुरभि आपके में? ये 40 और 50 तो गायब ही कर दिया आपने.
40 और 50. Okay.
आप अच्छे से ड्रॉ करो. पहले तो क्वेश्चन को ड्रॉ करो और उसके बाद करो. लक्ष्य, you send me your one.
I'll draw properly and send.
Draw it properly and send. First draw the question. After that you do whatever you have done and then send the photo.
Okay.
That is right. 25 or 30 होगा.
25.
For this one. And if I'll draw it, this should be the final tree. See, okay, I won't say, see, 20 now, as you want to do 20, why your splitting should be, don't you think there is a space in root? There is a space on root. Okay, so when you are doing splitting, it will go up. 15, 30, between 20. So again, 20 will go up. Okay, because 20 will come still in the middle. So at the root, it will be 20, 40. At the root, it will be 20 and 40.
Ma'am, once again repeat.
40.
Just
Because the middle one will go up if there is a, so you can see there is the space in root.
yes, ma'am.
So first of all, we'll fill the root space, no?
Okay, it
Will go up. है ना?
we want to 15 or 25.
So
15.
in that
Okay.
case, it will be here 15. This one will be 30. Okay, right child of 20 का राइट क्या है? 20 का राइट में मैंने लिखा ही नहीं है, ठीक है? मैं डायरेक्ट 40 का राइट लिखी। यहाँ पे है 50. Okay, then 50 again, right? We'll have here again 50. Okay, and the left side will have 40.
Ma'am, 30 and 40. Top on the top is 30, 40.
No, 20.
Why 20, ma'am?
So 20 is the middle, no?
20, how 10, 15, 20, na? How is middle?
10 कहाँ से आया? It's on
Ma'am,
15 right. 15 right, you will have 15 and 25. And you
Ma'am,
want to say 20.
Ma'am,
आप यूं ही बोल दो ना कि मैम पूरा ही कर लो.
ma'am, last में जब that is K10 and K20, we want to fill K15. Then K15 is the
K15 फिल करने के लिए वहां पे क्या लिखा है? आप देखो क्वेश्चन में कहाँ लिखा है? वहां पे क्या है? K10 और 20 है. ठीक है, K10 और 20 के टाइम आपको सबसे पहले 15 इंसर्ट करना है. तो 15 इंसर्ट करने के लिए आप क्या करोगे? उसको ऊपर भेजोगे.
yes ma'am,
तो
15
वहां
को
पे स्प्लिटिंग हो जाएगा. स्प्लिटिंग हो जाने के बाद 15 और 25 राइट में नहीं आ जाएगा.
15 and
और 30
ऊपर
राइट में
चल
नहीं आ जाएगा. ऊपर क्यों जाएगा? राइट में आएगा. अभी तो राइट में स्पेस है ना. रुको मैं पूरा ही बना देती हूँ.
मैम 20 ऊपर
नहीं
कैसे
आप
जाएगा?
रहने नहीं, आप रहने दो. आप कष्ट बिल्कुल मत करो. मैं ही बना देती हूँ पूरा. फिर आपको कब समझ आएगा? अभी मैं कुछ बोलूंगी ना तो फिर आप क्या बोलोगे कि मैम गुस्सा कर रही है. आप गुस्सा दिला रहे हो. सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है कि आपसे नहीं हो रहा. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आप नहीं करना चाह रहे हो. थोड़ा आप यूज क्यों नहीं करते हो? समझ रहे हो आप मेरा बात? मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? आप ट्राई कर ही नहीं रहे हो. आप है ना उल्टी चीज पे अटक जाते हो. अटक ही नहीं रहा. मतलब मैं क्या बोलूं अभी. चलो मैं करता हूँ. कोई बात
10, 20.
I want to insert first of all 15
Yes,
and
ma'am.
then I'll insert 25. You just keep quiet. I'm explaining. Okay. If you're not getting, then only you say 15. So here I want to insert first of all 15. So if you'll see 15 will come here. Okay. So 15 is greater than 20, less than greater than 10, less than 20. So 15 will come. Okay. So there's no space. So what will happen? Middle one will go up. So in that case, 30 will go here. Okay. And 15 will come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Like this, it will be updated. Okay. After that, what is the next element? Okay. After that,
25.
even 20 will also shift here. Why? Because 20 is greater than 50. Okay. So 20 will go as the right child. So here we'll have one right child of 15. Okay. And 20 will go there. So why? Because 20 is greater than 15. So in that case, 20 can't be here. Okay. So 10 हो गया, 15. Right में 20 आ गया. 10. Okay. Now, the next element you want to insert is 25.
25. We
यहाँ
can
पे
directly.
directly हो गया. एक second. 15 है, 30 है. नहीं, कुछ अच्छा मिस्टेक किया ना मैंने. इसके right side में whenever I'll do, first of all 15 should come, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then after 20 will. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I want to insert 25. Okay, so if you see here, I want to insert 25. So as I want to insert 25, what will happen?
20 will go
in the
over.
middle. So 20 will go up. So what is the parent here? So if you see 20 is at the middle. 15.
20.
So again 20
20.
will go up.
Yes, ma'am. 20.
Okay, so in that case 40 instead of 40 will get here 20. 40 will shift here.
Okay, then
and
arrows will be.
20 and 25 will come here.
Okay, ma'am. Then arrows will be also shifted. Okay.
So in
Okay.
that case, now see the option. Which of the following here is present? So if you say 30, 40, is 30, sorry, 30, 50 present? No. Second, 25, 30. No.
No.
Third, 20, 25.
No, ma'am.
The fourth, 15 and 20. एक सेकेंड, एक प्रेजेंट था, मैंने कहीं मिस्टेक किया. 20 हो जाएगा. Then यहाँ पे मिस्टेक है मेरा कहीं. Here it should be 15 and 25. 20 will go up in the middle. यहाँ पे 20 था ना, तो एक सेकेंड, 20 जब ऊपर गया तो इन दैट केस ये कहाँ चला जाएगा? 25. हाँ, तो इन दैट केस 25 will come here, no, as the right child. So 15 का लेफ्ट चाइल्ड में है 10 और 20. एक सेकेंड, 20 कैसे गया ऊपर?
Mom, when we add 25 on the right side, middle one is 20.
नहीं, तो how we have 20 here? How 20 is here?
Mom, is there in the question one?
एक सेकेंड, कुछ मिस्टेक किया, मैं बैक जाके वापस. ठीक है. This much. First of all, I inserted 15. After inserting 15, this was. Okay. So 20 here. Okay. Here it was. 25 is here. है ना? 25 I want to insert here. So at here 20 is in the middle. So 20 will go up. And here also it is in the middle. So 20 will go up. Yes. Now it's correct. So here will be 20 and this will be 40. Okay. And this arrows will be shifted here. Okay.
Yes,
and here you will get, instead of 20, what it will be?
25.
25, है ना? Is it right? See, if we'll do like this, after that, no. After that, you want to insert 25. This thing is done. So that means 20 is shifted up. Okay. 20 is shifted up. Now we want to insert 25. So where 25 will go? 25 will go at the left side of 30. Or you can say right side of 15.
Yes, ma'am.
So if we'll write here, 25 will go here. Okay. Now see, in this case, which of the following is present?
25 and 30 हो जाएगा.
कहाँ पे? हाँ. In this case, we'll consider this. So that's why the answer is A, 1 only. Okay.
25 and 30.
ठीक है. चलो एक और क्वेश्चन.
ये मैम 30 शिफ्ट हो जाएगा इधर और ये 25 और 30 आ जाएगा, है ना? यस मैम.
हाँ.
ओके ओके.
Mom, normally when we do, now we got the answer, mom, but normally when we do, when we put 20 in the parent, then we have to split the 15 and 13, right, mom, to the left and right.
Yes. See, actually what we'll do here, 10 will go on left side, and if we'll do right side, so actually here at the right side, right of 15, there should be a node. Okay, and that node will have 15.
Mom, and even 15 and 30 also we have to make it as left child and right child because we got 20 there.
No. Right now we will not make it as left and right child. Why? Because 20 is here. Now it's not overlapping, right? If you'll insert anything here, then it will be splitted. But right now there is no issues like that.
But ma'am, 20 is greater than 30. 30 is greater than 20, ना?
तो क्या हो गया?
तो हम
तो उसको शिफ्ट करेंगे ना. ये इसको आप राइट में शिफ्ट करोगे ना. मैं तो सिर्फ एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ, आंसर लाया मैंने थोड़ा ना बोला ये सही बन गया.
ओके ओके.
समझे? मैंने ये नहीं बोला ये करेक्ट बन गया. ठीक है. लक्ष्य, डाउट इज क्लियर?
Yes, mom.
नेक्स्ट. Okay, so I think that much. See if I can find one or more question. Otherwise, this much is enough. Okay. See, I have seen this type of question also. 1-2 times they have asked in GATE also and UGC Net also. I'll send you. There's a formula to solve this question. Okay, so just you have to remember this formula. I'll send you the question. Just a second. Okay, so please write down the question in short in your notebook. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, so there is a formula to do this. Write down. The formula to calculate order of the node is formula to calculate order of node is
formula to calculate node
order of the node
order of
is the write down this formula n into p plus n minus 1 into k. Okay, so this is a formula and this should be always less than is equals to b. Okay, so now can you place the values? This is the formula. You have the values. Just read the question and try to solve it.
Ma'am, here what is PB?
It's given, no? See, what is P? What child pointer? That is P.
Okay.
A child pointer is 6. Okay, and what is K? K is 512. And you have to find the value of N.
K is what is, ma'am? K is
512. 512. Bytes, no? I've written capital B bytes. It's written, no? 512 bytes. Block size is 512 bytes.
ma'am, K is 1512.
512. Okay, now place it and give me the value of N.
Ma'am, they have given block size is 512.
So that is what K. K,
Okay.
that means it's given in bytes. That's why I've written here B, capital B.
By B is the value of, what is the value
Block.
of B?
Write down. B means block size and the P is your child pointer.
Oh, ma'am, what is K?
K ये दिया हुआ ना 14 क्या है 14 search field. K is search field value. Okay, do this. Okay, just a second. What's the answer?
Ma'am, C option.
Correct. Good. What about you, Lakshya? Mathematics issue?
Option C is correct now.
हाँ.
Okay.
Calculate करना है basically. Just you have to place the value and perform the calculation.
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am.
What is N? You'll do it, right?
Yes, ma'am. 26 I got.
26 is the correct one. Okay, one more question. See, right now, what questions you are solving, these are the questions which comes in DBMS topic. Okay, but it is with the B and B plus tree. Okay, remember? B and B plus tree, that topic I left in DBMS. So that question I'm solving right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Give me answer for this one.
Ma'am, order and degree is same thing.
Hmm.
Forty-three, mom. Option C.
Very good. Correct. Surbhi?
Ma'am, I just doing. Yes, ma'am. 43.
Okay, good. Next is okay. So this is all about B and B plus C. This time varieties of questions are possible. Next topic is graph. So give heading graph and write down some theory points first. A graph is a collection of array. You want 5 minutes? You want to have water?
Yes, mom.
Okay. So just a 5 minutes break I'll give you just to have the water and come. Okay. It's 3:34. कितना हो जाएगा? 3:40 sharp. Sorry, 4:40 sharp. Okay.
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 Okay. Ma'am, I want to say one thing.
बोलो.
Ma'am, don't take class at 2 to 4. You are saying the
Why?
Monday. Monday.
Then I'll take it morning. That's
No,
it. 10:30
no,
to
ma'am.
12:30 ले लेती हूँ तो.
No, ma'am. I do a job, so if it is 3 to 5, it's fine. I come around 3 o'clock.
अच्छा 3 to 5 is fine. Okay, that's why today you are. But today is Saturday, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why today you are late?
Ma'am, today I also do a job. I came around 3 o'clock around. Just
No, actually, Surbhi, see, Saturday, so this thing is fine. Monday, that thing, that extra classes, I'll take it on 3 to 5. No issues. Okay?
3 to
I'll
5.
take it to 3 to 5. Actually, I thought to take 10:30 to 12:30 because at that time Herschel is going to school, no? So that is best time, but 3 to 5 is also fine.
No, ma'am, even working days, Sunday is fine. Sunday, anytime you can take.
No, Sunday same time, but actually this next Saturday, Sunday I'll not take, no? So instead
Okay.
of that, I'll take Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 to 5. No issues.
Okay, ma'am. 3 to, yes.
Chaliye, now go for break.
Okay, ma'am.
Fact. Now give a heading graph and write down. A graph is a collection of nodes. A graph is a collection of nodes called vertices. A graph is a collection of nodes called vertices, and a collection of line segments and a collection of line segments connecting pair of nodes, line segment connecting pair of nodes called edges or arc.
Pair of nodes called
Edges or arc. Edges or arc. ARC. Next, graphs may be directed or undirected. Graphs may be directed or undirected. So, we are working in any college or in any company?
Ma'am, I am working in a school right now.
School.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you have done MCA, right?
Ma'am, their college is not paying anything.
Acha, very less payment.
Yes, less
That
paying.
is true.
This is the main reason, ma'am.
Uh,
And there is
but,
also, and job is also not permanent. That is in the summer seasons they will leave for 2-3 months. In school there we get a permanent job.
okay, they won't pay for holidays in colleges.
Yes, ma'am.
No college. Where do you stay?
I'm staying at my home.
Which city should we?
Ludhiana, ma'am.
Ludhiana. So in Ludhiana, no college like who is paying for the leaves and all also.
No, ma'am, no colleges. Only they pay for only a dog basis, and for they August to April they will put, and for 2-3 months they don't pay for May, June.
Oh, okay.
This is the main reason behind
That
it.
is the reason, Surbi. But see, with my experience, I'll tell you one thing. That is fine. That is your choice that you have went to school. But the thing is, this experience you will need, no? Once you'll crack UGC net, no? After
Ma'am,
clearing UGC net, listen to me. When you
ma'am,
will go for apply to the colleges, no, that have cleared UGC net, at that time you need experience certificate. College, they won't consider that much.
ma'am, my friend has cleared the UGC net, and she's only earning 25,000, and on the ad hoc basis.
25,000 only.
Only 25 on ad hoc basis. UGC net qualified.
तो इतनी क्या तकलीफ है यार लुधियाना में कोई
कंप्यूटर साइंस
कॉलेजेस
मैम कंप्यूटर साइंस में क्लियर करके मैम
क्या
वो
यार आपको पता है एमसीए किए हुए कंप्यूटर साइंस किए हुए मैं अब आपको क्या बताऊं अर्निंग 40-50,000 पार्ट टाइम में अर्न करते हैं
मैम लुधियाना वो क्या कहते हैं वो शी इज वर्किंग इन चंडीगढ़ शी
that is fine. See, otherwise should we do one thing, you take online classes and all. If you're good with teaching, you should be good with teaching. If you're good with teaching, you just go and try for online classes. There are many in Indeed and all, you apply, you will get. And that is more. At your home only you can sit just to work 4-5 hours, 40-50,000 easily you will get. Easily.
Ma'am, I'm working in a school right now.
No, that is good only. See, for me, everything is good. Just we are earning, that is important. We are not
Yes,
dependent on anyone else. Just for your better, I'm telling. Okay, otherwise that's good only. Everything is good. Just earning is required.
No, ma'am, I'm saying that when you go outside, na, it also, you meet the people, different people, it also matters. Doing in front of laptop doesn't.
That is true. That is also.
Yes, ma'am.
So, just give me 1 second. Okay? Okay, so right now you have written till the ages, right? Next line. Graph may be directed or undirected. Okay, next line. In a graph, two vertices are said to be adjacent. I've already taught you graph.
No, ma'am.
No, no. Okay. So in a graph, two vertices are said to be adjacent if an edge directly connects them. In a graph, two vertices are said to be adjacent if an edge directly
If an
connects
edge,
yes.
if
If an
an
edge directly connect them. For example, see, like this. Suppose this is one node. Okay, this is one node. So if there is an edge which is directly connecting it, है ना? So that is basically known as adjacent. So these two nodes are known as adjacent vertices. है ना? Neighbors, you can say. Okay, next line. Lakshya, Pakka, I have not taught you graph, right?
No, ma'am.
Huh.
ma'am, last line you repeat. If in a edge directly connect with them.
Edge directly connects them.
Connects them.
Okay. Next line. A path is a sequence of vertices. A path is a sequence of vertices in which each vertex is adjacent to the next one. In which each vertex is adjacent. Each vertex is adjacent to the next one. Adjacent to the next one. Next line. A cycle is a path. A cycle is a path. A cycle is a path of at least 3 vertices. At least 3 vertices that start and end with same vertex.
That start
Start
and
and end with same vertex. चलिए एक चीज अब मैं आपको यहाँ पे क्लियर करती हूँ. Right, the thing is, see, what is the definition? A cycle is a path of at least 3 vertices. So remember, if I do like this, A and this is B. Okay, so this is not known as a cycle in graph. Remember this. We have studied till now. Whatever you have studied in your bachelor's, your master's, okay, that this is a cycle. Basically, it is not a cycle. Remember this. Okay, this is not a cycle. Why? Because what is a cycle? So see, cycle is a path of at least 3 vertex. So in cycle, we need how many vertex? Minimum 3 vertex. So suppose if I'll draw like this, now this is a cycle. Okay, if I'll draw like this is a cycle. Because what is a cycle? It should have minimum 3 vertex. Remember this. If you don't know, just make it. Next slide. Next
Ma'am,
point.
it starts and ends with
Same vertex. So see, here when I start from 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 1. So it's ending to 1 only, na?
yes,
So this is a cycle. See, it's also look like cycle only, A to B, B to A. But this is not a cycle because as per the definition of cycle, it need minimum 3 vertices. Okay?
okay.
Next. A loop is a special case of cycle a loop is a special case of cycle in which a single arc begin and end with the same node.
In which a single arc
Begins and ends with the same node. So that means they are talking about, it's a special case of cycle, but here there is only one. Okay, there is one vertex, okay, where only will have starting and ending to the same one vertex. Like that. So this is basically known as what? A loop. Okay, so there is a single arc that will begin and end with one vertex. That is basically known as a loop. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. अच्छा, मैंने ट्री में बताया था. करेक्ट. मैं कब से मैं सोची, मैंने मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को मैंने पढ़ाया है कि मैंने ट्री में पढ़ाया था, डायरेक्टेड, अनडायरेक्टेड और पॉइंट्स भी लिखवाए थे. करेक्ट. अब क्लियर है. चलिए नेक्स्ट. A graph is said to be connected. After that, next point. A graph is said to be connected. If for any two vertices, there is a path from, there is a path from one to the other. There is a path from one to other. Okay, so that means connected means for, see, right now it's not a connected, but if I'll connect like this, so now I can say that it's a connected graph. Okay, so there should be one edge which is connecting to the other. Okay, so this is about graph. See, what we are going to study in graph tomorrow, I'll explain you how to, if they'll give you one graph, how to draw the adjacency matrix and adjacency table from that graph. Okay, and very important topic, they'll ask BFS and DFS. Okay, I can say 80 to 90% this question will come, GATE and UGC Net both. Okay, how to do BFS and DFS, I'll give you the shortcut trick to do. Okay, and
last line is, a graph is said to be connected if any two vertices there is a path from one to another.
Yes.
Okay.
Then after that, tomorrow we are going to discuss hashing, which is very important for both. Okay, so and after this, next subject, algorithms, I said, right? So after that,
कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ेंगे वो मैम?
इसके बाद algorithms. I think tomorrow I'll finish it.
Okay, ma'am.
And because now BFS, DFS and this graph, after that hashing I'll teach. After hashing, we'll do algorithms.
Okay, that also comes under data structure, ma'am.
No, that is a different subject. For some, it's a combined subject showing. For some, it's different, but actually it's similar to, after data structure only we should do it.
Okay.
Okay, it's almost advanced version of data structure, you can see. I'll tell you what is algorithm next class. Okay, so tomorrow, my point is, don't miss tomorrow class. Very important.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, I have a one doubt. Ma'am, you have... मैम आपने प्रॉपर्टीज में ना लिखवाया था कि द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड्स इन ए बाइनरी ट्री ऑफ हाइट इज इक्वल टू h+1.
हाँ.
और मैम आपने एक दिन पहले प्रॉपर्टीज में ये लिखवा रखा है कि मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड्स इज इक्वल टू h.
कहाँ पे है बताओ, मैं मतलब किधर लिखवाया था, किसके ट्री की बात कर रहे हो
मैम? आपने 29th को जब,
अरे मेरे को डेट याद थोड़ी ना है. हाँ मुझे बताओ, मैंने जब ट्री पढ़ा रही थी तब बताया था आपको.
मैम आपने एक तो प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बाइनरी ट्री नेक्स्ट डे कराया था, और एक जगह आपने जब कराया था 29th को जब ट्री कराया था. हाँ, ट्री में.
हाँ, तो ट्री में क्या बोला था मैंने?
ट्री में आपने एक पॉइंट लिख रखा है, गिवन द हाइट ऑफ बाइनरी ट्री, minimum and maximum number of nodes in the tree can be calculated as n
is equals to h, and x of n of max is equals to 2 to the power h-1. correct.
हाँ, 2 raised to 2 की पावर h-1. और मैम फिर आपने नेक्स्ट डे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बाइनरी ट्री आपने इंटरनेट से कराया था, उसमें मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड्स इन ए बाइनरी ट्री ऑफ हाइट h लिखा हुआ था h+1. ये आपने कराया था. अब राइट कौन सा है, और उसमें मैक्सिमम में 2 रेज टू पावर h प्लस 1 है, अब
अरे
डिफरेंस
एक
है।
मिनट रुक जाओ बाइनरी ट्री प्रॉपर्टीज गिग से करवाई थी मैंने प्रॉपर्टीज, गिग से नहीं करवाई थी। Java pointer. I taught you property from which website, do you remember? Java point भी नहीं था।
जावा नहीं था मैम।
Java नहीं था ना? So I didn't think.
मैम ग्रीक्स ऑफ ग्रीक्स तो नहीं था, मुझे को याद नहीं है, आई एम नॉट श्योर।
मुझको भी याद नहीं है, मेरे को उसके अंदर एग्जांपल्स भी थे, इसमें एग्जांपल्स नहीं
हाँ ये वो नहीं है साइट में। मैं ग्रीक्स ऑफ ग्रीक्स में तो आपने जो लिखवा रखा है शायद वही दे रखा है, 2h -1 2 रेज टू, तो दो डिफरेंट
है। ये तो सही है, ये जो मैंने लिखवाया ना एच मीन और ये तो सही। मैं प्रॉपर्टीज वाला एक बार चेक कर। हाँ प्रॉपर्टीज में क्या लिखवाया मैंने, बोलो वापस।
मैम प्रॉपर्टीज में h प्लस 1 लिखा रखा है मिनिमम।
मिनिमम पॉसिबल हाइट लिखा है?
नहीं, मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड्स
मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड्स
इन ए बाइनरी ट्री ऑफ हाइट h इज इक्वल टू h प्लस 1, और वहां पे आपने एक ट्रीज में लिखवा रखा है मिनिमम
एक सेकेंड रुको। h प्लस 1 ना,
h चाहिए, h प्लस 1 है, ये डाउट है।
minimum number of nodes at height h, given the height of binary tree, given the height of binary tree, height of binary tree। एक मिनट को मैं ड्रॉ कर लेती हूँ, कहाँ है पेज। इसको बनाओ ना, ड्रॉ नहीं किया आपने?
मैम उस दिन तो आपने एग्जांपल से समझाया था तो वो तो ठीक था।
ठीक था, हाँ नहीं नहीं, ये तो मैंने फॉर्मूला बुक में से लिखा है, लेकिन ये फॉर्मूला भी रॉन्ग क्यों होना चाहिए? इस बुक का
तो मैम
फॉर्मूला रॉन्ग होने का चांसेस ही नहीं है। एक सेकंड
तो फिर मैम 2 डिफरेंट फॉर्मूलेस तो हो सकते हैं क्या? ये तो नहीं हो सकते।
नहीं तो फिर इसको h प्लस 1 ही करो। द हाइट ऑफ बाइनरी ट्री, गिवन द हाइट ऑफ बाइनरी ट्री का हाइट
मैक्सिमम में आपने एक जगह 2 रेज टू पावर h प्लस 1
हाँ वो
माइनस
मिल गया मेरे को, मिल गया मेरे फॉर्मूला मिल
ओके,
गया मुझे मेरी बुक में।
और एक जगह मैम
हाँ,
आपने 2
आप ना
रेज
इसको एक बाइनरी ट्री लो जिसका हाइट लो, जस्ट टेक वन बाइनरी ट्री, कोई भी एक बाइनरी ट्री लो यहाँ पर। ये मेरा ये तो चलेगा। तो चलो यहाँ पे एक बाइनरी ट्री है, ये नहीं है। हाँ चलो ये बाइनरी ट्री है। व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ दिस?
2
1 और 2, ठीक है, इसका हाइट हो गया 2। अगर मैं बोलूँ इसमें मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड्स, ओके मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड्स इन द ट्री, तो मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड्स कितने होंगे यहाँ पे जिसका हाइट 2 होगा? तो मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड्स 2 ही होंगे ना। अब देखो आप यहाँ पे 1 2 और 1 ले लो, ठीक है, ये 3 और 6 हटा दो, मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड्स तो ये हो गया।
मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड्स तो मैम h प्लस 1 हो गया ना, 3 हो गए।
हाँ ये 3 हो गए, हाँ तो h प्लस 1 है तब फॉर्मूला, तो उसका h प्लस 1 करो।
h नहीं है ना मैम?
हाँ h नहीं है, h प्लस 1 करो फिर, क्योंकि मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड्स क्लियरली दिख रहा है ना। अगर मैं हाइट 2 है मेरी तो मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड्स 3 ही होंगे।
और मैम मैक्सिमम का भी चेक कर ले, 2
मैक्सिमम 2 नहीं, मैक्सिमम सही है, 2 टू द पावर h माइनस 1 कितना होगा देख लो। मैक्सिमम 3 4 और 5, ठीक है, हाइट कितना
4
है?
माइनस 3
2 टू द पावर 4 माइनस 1, 4 माइनस 1 कितना होता है? 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, करेक्ट है।
नहीं मैम यहाँ पे आपने 2 रेज टू पावर h प्लस 1 लिखवा रखा है, 2 रेज टू
टू द पावर, वो भी सही है, वो वाला भी फॉर्मूला भी हो सकता है, 2 टू द पावर h प्लस 1 भी हो सकता है। तो देखो
तो
करके देखो, 2 टू द पावर 2 प्लस h कितना है मेरा? 2 2 प्लस 1 कितना होगा? 8। वो होल का माइनस 1 लिखवाया है मैंने,
होल का माइनस 1 तो मैम
माइनस
दोनों में ही लिखवाया है मैम। तो एक में तो 8 माइनस 1 हो जाएगा 7, अगर हम नहीं करते तो
एक काम करो
मैम मेरे ख्याल से ये वाला गलत है, 2 रेज टू
हाँ,
पावर h माइनस 1 गलत है, 2 रेज टू पावर h प्लस 1 ही ठीक है। 2 रेज टू पावर
h प्लस 1, h कितना है? हाइट 2 है, 2 प्लस
तो मैम
1 एक मिनट,
3
2 प्लस 1
7 हो
2 प्लस 1 कितना होता है? 3 होता है ना, तो 2 टू द
ये
पावर 3 कितना होता है? 8 होता है ना?
यस मैम, 8 - 1 7 हो गया ना मैम।
हाँ, तो ये वाला फॉर्मूला भी तो सही है ना, 2 to the power h minus 1, 2 की
तो
पावर
मैम
h कितना है यहाँ पे, हाइट कितना है? नहीं ये सही कैसे हुआ?
मैम वो
मैक्सिमम,
तो
हाँ नहीं ये सही नहीं होगा, करेक्ट है, देन वही वाला सही। तो मिनिमम में लो h+1 और मैक्सिमम में वो वाला लो।
2 raised to power h+1 - 1।
Yes.
ओके मैम,
ठीक है, चल
ठीक है, ओके मैम।
ओके देन, और कल की क्लास मिस मत करना, हाँ इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
यस मैम, ओके, थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you.
हाँ वेलकम, बाय।